Today I bring you a extra large phone holder. Here's what it looks like. This is a phone holder for those extra large phones. But this is actually 3 times extra large, 3XL. This is for a holder for your phone for those people that work in construction or outdoors and you need to have your phone secure while you work. This is the case for you. This is 3 times extra large because you can put your phone with the outer box or the other big covers or cases inside here and they will fit. So this is for holder, so you can hold it while you work and it will protect it too. This is a tough case. As you can see, latches to this and won't come off, but I'm bringing it out. So show you real quick. It goes 360 degrees. The clamp right here. It goes 360 degrees. It's made out of nylon. It's super strong. And this is metal. The latch is metal, so it's not the cheap plastic one. And it has a strong magnet. It has a magnet that once it closes, it's hard to get it out. So it will be really secure when you are working or being outdoors. And it has like a lock. So you lock it, that phone ain't coming out. It has magnet plus the lock and the latch. It has like a locking device here that will lock into your belt and it won't come off. So like I said, it's extra tough for those people that work outside that wants to have their phone extra secure. This is the case for you. So here's my daughter's phone. It's not an extra large phone, but it has a cover on it. So you can see it fits and there's a lot of space there to put. So this is for the big phones, the iPhone Max, the Google big phones, the Samsung big phones. These are all for those big phones. So you can tell this is not gonna come out anywhere. It's not going anywhere because it's nice and secure in there. So if you have a big phone that has a case and you just want somewhere to put it, here you go.